Okay, well, today we'll be reviewing this $100 piece of garbage that we bought from a website called the Sky Viper drone. It seems that it says that we have to and today we will be reviewing this thing we got from a home hardware store for $100. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's this cheap, but I guess if it's cheap, I will buy it. So this is a drone that can obviously record and stream from high places. Well, I mean, like any drone could. Except that this drone is a lot cheaper and plasticier, just overall worse in quality than some of the better drones. I'm not sure if you can see it because the camera is so goddamn blurry. It says that you can, if you let go of some controller thing, it'll start gliding off in random direction filming, which I'm sure is a good way not to lose the drone. Yeah, so this box looks like someone's already tried to get in it, but it's so complicated that they can't. So I guess we can try to advise this. If I hit it with this fidget spinner. Whoever made this box should be dragged out to the road and shot, because this is a very stupid way of packaging a box. So let's see what we have here. And if I use this, okay, so this is it. It's probably how you would think it would feel. It's very plasticky. It feels like it could break very easily if I just chucked it out the window. I guess I'm gonna have to cut everything else in here. Game controller. I think I can use this to play with my non-existent GameCube. What do these buttons mean? Well, that's basically it for all the box contents. All that's left is this thing. There. seem that this box is completely useless to me now. Free replacement parts for 1 year. Wow, that's a very good way to not go broke. I guess this can just go everything. So I guess what this is these things are strange. I don't know exactly what they are. They just go on the drone somewhere. I'm not a drone scientist, so I do not know. These are replacement parts for the spinny things. This is the game controller for the Nintendo Cube game. Yeah, not Nintendo GameCube. This is a totally different thing. I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what this is. Yeah, I basically have no idea what any of this is, but I don't know. So we're gonna check these instructions to see what the hell any of this means. It's very important that you follow instructions even if you think reading is for wimps, because reading is not for wimps, because you never know when you need to read. This is the wrong instructions, I'm sorry. A battery, use the included screwdriver to unscrew the propeller and pull. What does any of this mean? I don't know. Okay, well I guess we're going to start assembling it, I guess. May God help us all. Whoever made these packages should also be dragged up to the street and shot, because I don't know any easy way to open this other than scissors. I don't have scissors 24/7. Stupid. This is, what kind of screwdriver is this? This is not a real screwdriver. It's this tiny. This is it. It's like the smallest ice pick in the world. Very small screws, whatever. I need these. I'm sorry for throwing them away before. So, it says, insert fully charged LiPo battery. I can only assume it's this thing. Let's just go. Go in here. No. Go in here. It seems to, but I don't know where this. Oh, it's over there. Okay. This is some very complicated assembling, people. You probably get a professional to do this, because I am not a professional. I don't know how any of this works. Well, it glows, and seizure lights, okay. This is good. A good start, I guess. Just shut the battery in there deep. And then it says to, what? Did I miss something? Use the included screwdriver to unscrew the propellant and pull. Why didn't they just put this together to begin with? Why would you just, fine. Get off. No. Bad. made this. This is like impossible to descrew or unscrew, whatever the hell the term is. And I break it, I don't know, it's too stupid to know. Yeah. Like, is there an easier way to do this? Or I just put this on, or I'm just stupid. Okay, since I was just stupid, I just need to put this on like that. Why would you put that in the instructions if it's a simpler way of doing it? I just don't know. I don't get these people. Am I doing this way, or did I forget already? How does this work? Help me. Why would you make this last one such a challenge? Oh my god, this is... Okay, finally we assembled whatever the hell this thing is, so... Still don't know what it does. The block the colors from going off. Oh, this is replacing damaged blades. Okay, so I need to... Which sides are the instructions? Are they both instructions? Like, red? Connecting battery. Charging the battery, installing batteries in the controller. I need batteries for this too. So you just open it. Give up. It's just hard. So basically there's these propellers that do stuff, and I still don't know what this is. Is this the forward thing? Is it like this? This forward thing? I don't know. Wow, it fits perfectly. I probably accidentally did something right. Or is it supposed to go in the other way? Yeah. Like this, like this. I think I did it right the first time. Okay. How does this work? Jesus. Okay, I guess I'll continue this when I get help trying to do all of this. I don't know. Well, I guess that's it.